Hey, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to share my non-negotiable everyday beauty routine, including my skincare, my simple makeup, and everyday hair routine. It's my last year of my 30s, and I feel like I've really honed in on what I like to do for my routine and what I'm going to stick with in the long term. I have genuinely tried so many different things throughout my 20s and 30s, and I worked in the beauty industry at one point. This is really like my trust the process non-negotiables, what I feel really is effective. So I wanted to condense it into one video and share it with you. Starting first in the AM post-shower, I like to use my LED face mask. This is the FOREO FAQ 202. FOREO has been a sponsor of my channel for over a year now because I use the red light therapy mask religiously, but this actually has 8 different wavelengths. My favorite are the red light, the blue light, and I like the combination of red and blue. I use the red light daily, and then I'll use the blue light before my period when I get breakouts around my chin. It's extremely lightweight and wireless, and I love the eye protection. It doesn't bother my eyes at all, so it's one of the reasons that this is my favorite. It is my go-to, and it's something I'm very consistent with using for smoother skin, reducing wrinkles and fine lines, and just an overall even skin tone, less sunspots, and just reducing redness. They give me codes to share on my channel. They're having their Valentine's Day sale right now. So if you use my code Rachel30, you can get 30% off of anything on the website, including the FOREO FAQ 202 mask. And then I'm very consistent with my body oil routine post-shower. I would say if I had to kind of narrow down my non-negotiables, putting body oil on after a shower is a non-negotiable of mine, and it's something I'm very consistent with doing, especially in the winter when my skin is feeling dry. But I just feel like a good quality body oil makes your skin glow, and it's supple and soft. So right now I've been using for the last year the OSEA body oil, but like I've been mentioning in recent videos, a lot of the skincare I'll buy from Trader Joe's is excellent as well, and they have a good body oil, or even a really good quality olive oil works all over the body. But post-shower, when my skin is still a little damp, I love to put body oil all over my body for soft, supple skin, and I will continue to do that. What I focus on for AM skincare is ingredients, mostly because there's a lot of great products out there. So a good serum that contains vitamin C, antioxidants, or hyaluronic acid. Focusing on ingredients when it comes to your AM serum is a great way to try to find something within your price point because there are a lot of products out there. Right now I'm trying out these products by Martha Stewart. These are her skincare line called ELM. This serum is definitely at a higher price point. They have something called an A30 complex, which is a more stabilized alternative than vitamin C. Sometimes products with vitamin C aren't the most shelf stable, so you don't really know how much vitamin C you're getting. So I've been really liking that serum. It has squalene and other antioxidants. A lot of people have been complimenting me on how glowy my skin has been looking ever since I started using it. And then the supplements contain turmeric and other ingredients to help with skincare from the inside out. You don't necessarily have to spend a ton, though, to find serums with great ingredients in them. This is one of my favorite serums from Trader Joe's. It's their Hyaluronic Moisture Boost Serum, great for all skin types and makes your skin look really glowy. So it's really about looking for those key ingredients, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, antioxidants, or all 3 if possible for the AM. In the evening, I am back on a consistent routine of using Tretinoin. I use this Retin-A, it's prescription. I try to use it a few nights a week and then take a break because it does make your skin sort of peel and go through that whole process. I like to do what's called the sandwich method, which is using moisturizer first, or even that hyaluronic acid serum is perfect first. And then over top that, you're going to use this Retin-A. I use it either every other night or a few nights in a row and then take a break just so I don't get too much sensitivity. In the morning, after I apply my serum, I will put on some tinted sunscreen. I usually let my serum sort of absorb a little bit and then I apply this with my fingertips, and I will either just blend it with my fingers or I'll use a brush. This is the RMS Tinted Sunscreen with SPF 50, so really great for the spring and summer. I also added back into my routine, this is the generic for Latisse, it's Caraprost. So I Just started this again, and when I used it in my 20s, I had amazing results. So I'm excited to see that. It definitely takes like 4 to 6 weeks to start seeing results for that. So I decided to bring this back into my routine, let my lashes get as long as I want them to, and then I'll take a break from it. These Drunk Elephant Rosi Glow Drops are my favorite for every day, just to brighten up my skin. So it's like a blush. They also have it in a bronzer, but I love that it also has skincare in it. For in between my brows, I have these little razors I get from Amazon and above my lip, and so I just kind of do that as needed, and then I will tweeze my brows, any little strays as needed. I let my brows do their own thing. I used to over tweeze and I used to get them done. I kind of just let them do their own thing. I do curl my lashes and wear mascara every day, but I'm hoping now that I am using the generic for Latisse, that does make your lashes longer and darker. Maybe I'll use less and less mascara. I'd say every day I do wear mascara, the Glow Drops, and a tinted lip gloss or lip balm. I'm using this one by YSE right now. It is the perfect lip gloss with a little bit of tint, so I've been loving that for every day. I have a few hair serums I like, but this Virtue Healing Oil is definitely my favorite. It smells amazing, it's lightweight, so it doesn't make my hair greasy at all. Some of the other ones I have to be careful are a little bit, they can weigh my hair down a little bit more. So this one I can put all over. It smells incredible and it makes my hair really shiny without any weigh down or any greasy. So I would say that that is my favorite that I have been using really religiously. I blow dry my hair pretty much every day in the winter because I don't like to walk around with a wet head when I'm cold already. So I do blow dry my hair in the winter, and then I just sort of let my hair naturally dry or put it in braids when the weather starts to warm up. I've been using this brow serum by Obagi for a while. I'm almost completely out of it, but I still use the little brush. And so I'll brush my brows up. And that's what I mean when I say this is like my trust the process routine. I'm really about like sticking with what works. I'll try new things here and there to see if I find something new that I like. But typically it's usually just a slight adjustment because I feel like this has been what's working for me. Usually I will spray my skin at the end of applying my everyday makeup with some toner, and then I'll just blend in that tinted sunscreen. Some days I'll actually take a break from tinted sunscreen just to let my skin breathe. But this would be my no makeup, my non-negotiable no makeup. I'll curl my lashes again usually after I've applied mascara, and then I apply gloss throughout the day. My philosophy is that it's important to be able to find a routine that you can be consistent with, that is sustainable for you, and then stick with it. Because anytime you stick with something, you're gonna see the results. Consistency is what matters. Also, building those beauty routines from the inside out too, focusing on things that make you feel confident in your own skin. This is what works for me in terms of my non-negotiables, and I hope this video was helpful for you. I'll see you in the next one.